Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to remove items from cart on Uber Eats. If you want to remove an item that has been added on your Uber Eats shopping cart, then the process is quite easy. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in ubereats.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Uber Eats. Make sure that you're logged into your account like you normally do. Now, click Open Your Cart, which should be appearing at the top right corner. Once you click on it, it'll show you the list of items that you've added. Click on the three dots right at the top right corner and click on Clear Cart in order to delete the items from your cart, and as you can see that the items has now been deleted or removed. So that's how easily you can remove or delete an item from your shopping cart on Uber Eats. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.